Hello, this video is about to show you how to connect our TV dongle with the Wi-Fi router. And here's the operation. For the operation on the Android phone and iOS phone, the operation is the same. First, go to your Wi-Fi and connect this wecast. And input the password here, and this connected. And then go to your browser or Safari on your phone. And here shows the IP address. So input this IP address and click this Wi-Fi IP icon. And here a scan and add network. This add network, it could add some hidden Wi-Fi. And now we just scan some available Wi-Fi. And input the password. And connect. After connection, here will show the Wi-Fi router's name. And here we can see the Wi-Fi router's name. And later the IP address here will change. So next time if we want to go to the settings to change another Wi-Fi, just input this IP address in your browser or Safari. And this is operation. Thank you.